You do not gain respect by pulling people down, but rather lifting them up. Hi guys, my name is Titiksha. Welcome back. So this video is Q&A video where I'll be answering all of your questions which you guys sent me on Instagram. So subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button and let's get started. So the first question is by Diktashti D. She asked, how do you stay so motivated every time? Okay, so basically a lot of you guys have been asking me this since a very long time. So I've actually filmed a video on it which will be up on my channel maybe next. So to answer this question, I would say that I motivate myself to do things I love, because even if I'm unwell or I'm going through something or I'm sad, I just do not let these things be an excuse to not do something I ought to do, because I somewhere know that these are temporary things and I do not want these things to affect my long-term goals. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Okay, next question is by Ananya. She asked, what happened between you and Isha and why is she after you? Okay, so firstly there was a beep because I do not want to reveal that person's name. I mean, being a girl, I just cannot defame another girl on social media or on public. I mean, that's not the kind of person I am. So to cut it short, I have absolutely no clue why she did that or why is she doing it. I have no idea, but I would just say God bless her. Okay. Third question is by Vaishali. She asked, what does a perfect day mean to you? So a perfect day would be like waking up early, having a nice breakfast, studying, shooting, talking to my friends, cooking something nice, and yeah, that's it. So the next question is by Rishika. She asked, what inspired you to make self-portrait videos? So basically when quarantine started, and why am I looking that side? Anyway, so basically when quarantine started, I was binge watching all these YouTube videos which were on photography and self-portraits. So that is when I realized I also want to make one, but I also wanted to make sure that I do not include anything that is already there. I mean, any idea which has been there on channel and people know about it. So that is when I sat down one day and filmed the video, and I had literally one idea in my mind, and that was the Scooby strings idea. And while filming, I got 3 more ideas, and then I combined it and made a video out of it. I uploaded it and that got viral, and that inspired me to make more such videos. So yeah. So Alisa asked, how do you manage social media and studies? So honestly, till now it was very easy for me to shoot because my classes were not happening, but now I'm in second year of masters and my classes have started. So I need to figure out a schedule how to balance both the things, because obviously I need to focus on my studies more, because that's what is important. So yeah, I'll make a schedule and I'll share that with you guys, because 65 questions were on how do I manage things. So yeah. Next question is by Jennifer. She says, how do you manage to reply to all the DMs, Didi? Okay, so yes guys, I do reply to all the DMs, because I somewhere feel that if you guys can take out some time and text me, then I can obviously take out time and reply to you. And also I love talking to you guys, so why not? So Dusky Chick asked, tell us about your journey on Instagram and YouTube. So I honestly do not know how to answer this question. I mean, where to start and where to end, but I would just say that a lot of efforts and hard work has been put into this, and this entire social media game is very different for everyone. Some people just grow like this and some people take time. So if you just do your own work, you will get recognition and appreciation one day. So I would just say keep creating. So Ruchika asked how to deal with hate. So basically, the moment you start getting hate is the moment you realize that you are rising, because once you start rising, there will be people who try to pull you down. You know why? Because it's easy to pull other people down, it's easy to mock at their work, it's easy to just make fun of them and spread negativity and hatred. But you know what's not easy? That is to create, because creating needs peace of mind, and you cannot be in your peace of mind when you are already spreading hatred and negativity. So I think you got your answer. You do not need to deal with these people, just let them say whatever they are saying, do not listen to them and keep creating. That is the perfect way to answer your haters. Is it necessary to post daily? So I'm so sorry, I forgot the name of the person who asked me this question. So to answer this, no, it's not necessary to post daily. Just post whenever you feel like. I post daily because see, my content is already planned, as I've already mentioned. So I have pictures, videos, reels with me. I know what content will go on what date, so that's pretty cool for me. But do not take it as a burden. Just do it with a free mind and things will turn out nice. Okay, Aditi asked, I feel really sad whenever someone writes hate comment on my pictures. So next time whenever I'm filming, I feel very upset and I do not want to. Okay, so understand this quote right here. Understand this, read this daily, because see, people who are doing more than you would never criticize you. It's the ones who know that you are above them, that is why they are trying to pull you down. So it's very easy to understand their psychology and how these people work. So just do not let these things bother you. Keep doing whatever you are doing, as I already mentioned. So you do yours and let them do whatever they are doing, because see, how can someone have time to post hate comments, stories, posts, videos? I mean, कैसे इतना टाइम कैसे? And understand that this is just social media and these things are a part of growing up. Like आप बाहर जाओगे, आज तो बस सोशल मीडिया में ऐसा हो रहा है, बाहर जाएंगे, जॉब लगेगी, तब भी ऐसी चीज़ें हो सकती है, राइट? और ऐसी चीज़ें लाइफ में कभी भी हो सकती है. सो जस्ट बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट एंड लर्न टू इग्नोर दिस थिंग्स एंड अपना काम करते रहो. सो या, आई थिंक यू गॉट योर आंसर. So Akanksha asked, how do I deal with hate? Okay, so the first picture which got me hate was this one. So a lot of guys did not like it and they started commenting something bad and funny on that picture. So at first I was a little bit sad about why would someone write that, but then I kind of found it funny because they were writing something in I don't know what language and it was really sounding funny. So yeah, and the second time I got hate was the time you guys already know about. So there was this person who started posting stories, posts, videos on me, and honestly saying I really felt special. And I'm not even being sarcastic here. I mean, someone just trying to put so much of energy, time, efforts into me. I mean, isn't it special, guys? And the moment I told that to my mom, she told me that that person who is criticizing you is the one who is actually helping you grow. So instead of being upset about that, just be thankful to that person. And that actually made me realize a lot of things, because see, today it's someone doing that to me, tomorrow it will be someone else. So these people will always exist. You just need to learn something really nice of this situation and move forward. And I'm really proud of the way I handled the situation, and my mom is also very proud of it. I mean, you guys were, the way you sent me messages and voice notes telling Titisha Di, matlab, you were nice and all of that. So yeah, and also I would say that it's one thing to gain followers and it's one thing to gain people's love, and the amount of love you guys have showered on me, I mean, I can never thank you guys for that. There were few people, I mean 4 of you who were there with me when this entire thing happened. So Shelly, Udipta, Apeksha and Megha. So I cannot thank you guys enough. I mean, Shelly is my college friend, so she's very close to me. She was there with me, she was calming me down and she was helping me understand a lot of things. And Megha and Apeksha are people whom I've never met. I mean, you guys already know them, but we haven't actually met, and that time we were not even that close, but still they were panicking. They were the ones panicking and I was calming them down ki arey shant ho jao, kuch nahi hota, let it be. But they love me so much, and that just made me feel that I am not supposed to get sad about people who are not liking me, but really feel happy about people who are there for me, who love me so much, more than I have ever imagined. And talking about Udipta, he was already going through something really bad in his personal life, and still he kept that aside and was there for me. So I can never forget this entire incident which has happened and the people who were there for me. I mean, and I'm not naming obviously everyone. All of you send me so many voice notes, messages, video calls and God knows what. So I'm really thankful to each one of you. But yeah, I would just say, if anything like this happens with you, just let that thing be and just keep doing whatever you are doing. Learn something, be strong and just keep creating. So I think that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.